Hi guys, today I'll be making this fur moon lamp and I'll be using Dollar Tree items. Just these two bowls from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use my E6000 to put them together. And I'm just going to take my E6000 and put it right along the edge of that bowl. And then on the other bowl, I'll put my hot glue. And then I'll just line them up as close as possible, and then I'll put some extra hot glue to reinforce them. So now that they're nice and secure together, I'll just use my soldering iron to cut my holes. And this is where I'll cut my first hole. That will be the top, and this one is the second hole, and that will be the base. So the top hole is just big enough to fit my socket, and then the bottom hole, which is this one, it's big enough to fit my bulbs. And I'll be using this LED bulb. So to give us that fur lamp, I'll be using this microfiber dust mop head, and I'm going to be using 6 of them. And I'm just going to take my tags off, and then I'll just use my little scissors to cut those threads. So now I'm done removing all the pieces from all 6 packs. I'll just start to apply my fur pieces around the rim of the base. And I'll start from the base, which is the bigger opening. And I'll just use my hot glue to apply the pieces right at the edge. So when I go around with my first lap, they can all come together and it will look seamless after I'm done putting my bulbs in. While you're watching, if it's your first time here, welcome. Welcome to the channel. My name is Nisi. The channel is a budget friendly creations. I post a new video every Friday, and I'd like if you could stick around, subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notifications on. It's free, so you can get notified every Friday when I upload a new video. However, if you don't feel like subscribing, a thumbs up, just a thumbs up will do. Just give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I'll appreciate that. To all my current subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support my channel. So I'm just being very careful with this first piece. I want to glue it down right at that edge, so I can have enough material left in the center, just like that. And then I'll just continue to go right around with my pieces, and I'm making sure that I don't have too much gaps in between the pieces. Now I'll just finish it off, and I'm trying not to get too close to where my socket will be. Even though my sockets, they don't get hot, I'm still being careful because I know a lot of people are going to be asking me, so isn't this a fire hazard? So the answer is no, because I had it burning yesterday. I had it on all day today. Even though it's during the day, I still like to see that beautiful light, and I left it on with the blue color because I love that color the way it looks. So no need to worry, the light bulbs won't get hot, neither does the sockets. They're warm, but that's about it. So I'll leave a link to the ones that I'm using down in the description box, so you can check them out if you'd like to. So now we're all done. I'm just going to fluff the pieces together so there won't be much lines showing. So this is the socket I'll be using, and I'm going to be stringing it from the top, and this little piece is the piece that will hold it in place, so it shouldn't be able to go through that hole. Okay, so I'll attach that part from the base along with the bulb. In case you accidentally cut the hole too big, you can use your hot glue to build it up. And then I'll just fluff the area to close the hole. And I need to fluff my pieces a little bit more to get rid of some of those lines, but that's it, guys. So quick and easy. I hope you like this one. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this one. Okay, do you like it? I have the light going on the multicolor right now, but you can set it at one color, one steady color. You can change the speed, how fast it changes, and you can leave it on white bright, and white bright is very bright. You can turn it up or you can turn it down. Please let me know in the comment section what you think, and thank you so much for watching. I compiled a little playlist of all my DIY lighting. I hope you'll get a chance to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you next Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.